is a long-awaited video. We know that we get a lot of requests for this. So this is my 1995 Mazda Miata 1.8 with the limited slip differential. I think it has the world's best exhaust configuration. You guys can be the judge of that in the comments below after you watch the full video. But what it has is the original exhaust manifold, no cats, those have been removed. And then it has a 1.5-inch exhaust pipe in the midsection with a Toyota Prius Resonator from 2005-2006 Toyota Prius, reversed, and the exhaust continues 1.5 inches all the way back to the rear section, where it expands to 2.5, goes into one of our universal valve mufflers, and then out to this insane-looking 5-inch Nissan GT-R tip. This car makes me so happy to drive with this flexibility. I drive it all the time. In the summer, it's my daily driver. It's so fun, but the best thing is having that controllability. So we're gonna show you guys what the car sounds like inside, outside, revs, flybys, and if you shift it properly, you get some nice flames out the back. So excited for you guys to enjoy this one. I love this car, I love the exhaust setup, and hopefully you guys love it too. Ready? It's so slow, but it's so fun. If you're driving down your favorite back road and you keep the valves closed, you can drive pretty quickly and have a spirited drive and have fun. And you get all the intake but no exhaust, so no one knows you're there. It's so fun, because then the car has no compromises. I drive this car literally every day. It's the greatest, why wouldn't I? But the thing is having two sound characteristics, like I need to talk to you right now, being able to, for a little sports car like this, have the control is so nice, because yes, the defense may be 99% of the time I'm going to keep it open, but that 1% of the time where you're having a conversation, waking up early, the cops are following you, whatever, you have all the control. But let's crank it up.